Hello, Super Explorers! Welcome to our classroom adventure today. Put on your imagination hats, click, click, and buckle up because we are taking a trip to a magical place called Noun Town. Are you ready? Let's roll! So, what in the world is a noun? Super simple. A noun is a naming word. It's just a fancy word for anything that is a person, place, thing, or an animal. If you can see it, touch it, visit it, and pet it, it's probably a noun. Anyone you see walking around is a noun. Your teacher. Yeah, it's me. I'm a noun. Your friend. A noun. An astronaut floating in the space. A noun. A doctor. A chef. Your mom. Everyone around you is a noun. A place is anywhere you can travel to, visit, or play in. Look at this beautiful park. This park is a place, so it's a noun. Your cozy home, the zoo, the beach, and even a giant library. They all are the places and nouns. A thing is anything you can hold, touch, drop on the floor, or play with. Look at these colorful toys and books on the screen. A bouncy ball, a sharp pencil, your backpack, or a slide on the playground are all things. And last but not least, from our furry little puppies or kittens at home to a giant roaring lion in the jungle and even a tiny green frog splashing in a pond. All animals' names are nouns. Alright, explorers, your brains are warmed up. Now it's time to put your brains on the test. We are going to play some games. Are you ready to show me what you have got? Let's do it. Oh, look, a secret sentence puzzle. There are exactly 3 hidden nouns in this sentence. Let's read it together. The cute dog ran to the park with a ball. Let's hunt. Who did the running? A dog. So the dog, bark, and the ball are the nouns in this sentence. Be excited. We are going on a treasure hunt. Now it's time for a live classroom mission. I want everyone to become a noun spy. Look around the room in which you are sitting in quietly without getting out of your seat. See if you can spy. You can pause the video where necessary. Before we finish our adventure, I have a super challenge extension for you. Do you know nouns can be common or proper? A common noun is just a general, everyday name, whereas a proper noun is a super special name, like your. Come on, say out your name aloud. 1, 2, 3, go! Wow! Hooray! Give yourself a massive round of applause. You're officially graduated from Noun Town, and now you are a certified noun superheroes. Keep your eyes open and keep searching for those naming words everywhere you read, walk, and play. Thank you.